The Filipino word dahan-dahan means slowly or gently. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan nating pag-aralan ang aralin. It means that let's study the lesson slowly. Dahan-dahan is slowly. Natin it's like both of us or all of us. And then aral means to study. And then aralin is the lesson. So dahan-dahan nating pag-aralan ang aralin. Kinain niya ng dahan-dahan ang mainit na sopas. He or she ate the hot soup slowly. Or sopas is like the soup. That's the name of the dish in a way. But it's a hot soup as well. So kinain is like past tense. Kain is the root word niya. Is he or she. Dahan-dahan slowly. And then mainit is hot. And then sopas is the soup. So hot soup. Kinain niya ng dahan-dahan ang mainit na sopas. Dahan-dahan siyang gumaling mula sa sakit. He or she recovered slowly from the illness. Dahan-dahan is slowly. Siya is he or she, gender neutral. Gumaling means to recover, and then mula from, and then sa sakit. Sakit is an illness. So dahan-dahan siyang gumaling mula sa sakit. Dahan-dahan lang ang paglalakad ng matanda. The old person's walking is just slow or gentle or gently walking. So dahan-dahan is slowly, and then lang only. Lakad means to walk, paglalakad, walking, and then matanda is like an old person. So dahan-dahan lang ang paglalakad ng matanda. And that is all for our Filipino word dahan-dahan, which means slowly or gently. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan.